Welcome back to the Fluent Mind. I'm Sarah, and today we're tackling the invisible wall every English learner hits. You know the one where you're mid-sentence, your brain is spinning like a loading icon, and you're desperately trying to swap words from your native language into English.
Oh, I know that feeling all too well, Sarah. It's like trying to run a race while carrying a heavy suitcase. It's exhausting. People think I'm shy, but really I'm just processing.
Exactly. That processing is mental translation. And today, we're going to help you drop that suitcase. Alex, what's the biggest frustration when you translate in your head?
The delay. By the time I've translated my thought, the conversation has moved on. I feel like I'm always 5 seconds behind the world. How do we actually stop? Is it even possible?
It's 100% possible. But here's the cold truth. You have to stop treating English like a code for your native language. You have to build a direct bridge from your brain to the world.
A direct bridge. Okay, sounds poetic, but how do I do that when I don't know all the words?
We start small. Technique number 1, the labeling game. Most people try to think in complex sentences. Stop that. Today, look around your room. Don't look at an object and think, mesa. Oh, that's table. Look at it and think, table. Just the word. Direct connection.
So I'm basically training my brain to skip the middleman.
Exactly. You're firing the translator. Then move to technique number 2, the internal narrator. Talk to yourself in English about your mundane tasks. I'm making coffee. The water is hot. Where is the sugar? It sounds silly, but you're building the English muscle for things you already know.
I actually tried that yesterday while driving. I said, "The light is red. I am waiting." It felt slow, but I noticed I wasn't thinking in my own language first.
That's a huge win. Now, let's talk about the monolingual shift. This is the hard part. Stop using bilingual dictionaries. If you look up a word and see the definition in your native language, you're reinforcing the translation habit. Use an English to English dictionary.
That sounds intimidating. What if I don't understand the definition?
Use a learner's dictionary. They use simple words to explain complex ones. It keeps your brain in the English zone. Think of it like an immersion tank. If you keep stepping out to dry off in your native language, you'll never learn to swim.
I love that metaphor. So stop translating, start labeling, talk to myself like a narrator, and ditch the bilingual dictionary.
And finally, and this is the secret sauce, learn in chunks, not words. Don't learn the word decision. Learn make a decision. When you learn phrases, your brain grabs the whole block. You don't have to assemble the Lego set while you're talking. The house is already built.
Chunks. Got it. I'm going to try narrating my life on the walk home today.
Do it. And to everyone listening, your brain is lazy. It wants to translate because it's safe. You have to make it uncomfortable to make it fluent.